and welcome to TransAutomobile, your specialist in exporting brand new vehicles to the continent of Africa and the rest of the world. Now, not only is it about the selling of brand new vehicles, you also need the maintenance so that it lives a very long life. So, over here, we have the spare parts. And when I say spare parts, I'm referring to all aspects of the vehicle, be it for the engine, for the clutch, for the brake system, name it, and we will have it ready for you. Now, here at TransAutomobile, you can choose to have your first kit maintenance. And this means your vehicle will come ready with all the spare parts you need. When the vehicle is shipped to you, the spare parts will be sitting right in the vehicle, waiting to be used on a rainy day. And not only is it about receiving those spare parts when you receive your vehicle brand new from us, it's also about maintenance, as I said earlier, or reparations. So say you need to order a part. Here at TransAutomobile, we will have it shipped to you through sea freight, air freight, and fast delivery. Contact us for a personalized quote on any type of vehicle and any questions regarding spare parts. Our sales team is dedicated every day to upholding our motto, our mission, and your satisfaction.